Okay guys, I think I might have a bad lifter in my number 7. If you look here on these golds and look on the ends of the inside the cylinder head here, you can see oil is actually dripping down. When you look back down here, nothing. It's not bleeding out like the other ones are. I think that's where my tick is coming from. Listen. Because I know these gold rockers can be noisy, but I don't know. If you listen, look at it. Nothing. As where these others are spitting out pretty good. So could that be a bad lifter? I don't know. Let's find out.